Hello and welcome to this very short and easy yoga flow that we can do for our shoulders and our necks. No props are necessary, and as we are limited on time, we're going to get right into our practice. So as and when you're ready, beginning to come through to your easy seated position. As we begin to come through to our easy seat, we'll begin to take a little bit of a circle, spiraling of the spine. Eventually taking the shoulders over the sit bones. And very gently, we'll begin to take that right ear towards the right shoulder. We can stay right here. Maybe our left hand comes down towards the earth or travels towards the back of your space. Having some softness with that right hand, maybe saying a gentle no with the chin. Beginning to bring some stillness to the head. Right hand beginning to rise. Maybe we take the fingertips to the temple or the ear itself. Beginning to stack the head. Right hand coming along that left limb. We'll take a gentle twist. And as we twist, we'll begin to bring that left hand across the body, tucking the chin in towards the chest, rounding the spine. And letting the arms rise. Right hand grabbing that left leg as we begin to tilt over towards the right. And beginning to release the hands. Shoulders coming up towards the ears. We'll take a few rolling of the shoulders. The hands might be more in contact with the earth, just depending on their length and how they're feeling today. Casually begin to bring that left ear towards the shoulder, ensuring the shoulder doesn't rise. And again, that right hand might drip. Maybe it goes towards the back of your space. Saying a gentle or casual no. Finding some stillness. And eventually we'll take that left hand up, fingertips to the temple or the ear. Rising with that left hand, taking that twist, gazing over the shoulder. And then letting that right hand cross, and we'll begin to tuck and round. Then you can take the arms up overhead, right hand grabbing the left, and then we'll take that left to grab the right. Arms beginning to rise. We'll begin to interlace the hands, palms to the back of the head, maybe thumbs along the neck. We're going to take a little bit of cat-cow here with the elbows. So as when you're taking the chin towards the chest, letting the weight of the palms of the fingertips behind the head just help coax the head down. Elbows coming towards each other. We might begin to round the spine cat-like. Beginning to open up the elbows, keeping them in line with the ears are beginning to open up, taking a gentle back bend. Just being mindful of the shoulder blades as they come closer together. And we'll take it 2 more times as and when you're ready, tucking and rounding. Opening up. And last round. And open. We'll begin to take the fingertips up towards the sky, taking a gentle cactus. Fingertips gravitating. We'll take the hands forward. We're going to begin to give ourselves a hug. So imagine that left arm coming on top, elbows stacked. We're going to take a bit of eagle. So as you begin to explore your eagle, and again, we don't need to bind. We can simply keep the hug if you prefer. We're going to take a gentle twist. So as when you're ready, we'll take the elbows over towards the left. We'll come through center and then we'll tuck and round. Lifting the elbows, we'll begin to unfurl, taking your cactus. And fingertips rising and then coming forward. We'll give ourselves a hug on the opposite side. Right arm, again, hug. We're beginning to build your eagle. From our eagle, we'll begin to take that twist, elbows going over towards the right. And back through center, tucking the elbows in towards the navel as we round. And we'll begin to lift, beginning to cactus, opening up. And hands rising. And casually taking the hands in towards the heart. We'll finish with interlacing the hands, beginning to flip the palms. We can take a gentle pulse here. Maybe we begin to commit. Palms going straight forward. Softness in the elbows if you're super flexy. Just take a little bit of a shimmy side to side. And eventually bringing the knuckles in towards the heart, releasing the hands. I'll take a round of breath here, just taking a quick scan from the crown of the head all the way down. Thank you for taking this very short and sweet yoga practice for your neck and your shoulders. If you'd like to check out any of my other videos, check out the link in the description, and I'll see you again soon.